everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the Canon Masterclass for today. My name is Carlo. I am a YouTuber that talks about mostly sneakers, life, and tech on my YouTube channel. So kung gusto niyo manood ng mga sneaker reviews, kung gusto niyo manood ng mga smartphone, gadget, smart home reviews, or life advice in general, pwede niyo ako i-search sa YouTube, Carlo Ople. Now, I'm very happy to be with you guys today in this masterclass. And Canon asked me to talk to you about how you can live your passions, make money doing it, and the 7 to 1 principle that I usually follow and espouse and advocate for. So yung pinaka main thesis ng masterclass natin today is this sentence. You can make money doing what you love, regardless if it's a side hustle or eventually yan na yung pinaka main hustle mo o pinaka negosyo mo o pinaka career mo. Pwedeng-pwede yan because of digital. Digital technology has enabled everybody to be entrepreneurs, freelancers, businessmen in a much more easier and convenient way because you have faster access to either knowledge, your market, or even your suppliers. And all of those things taken together will allow for you to be able to make what you love, be it movies, food, dancing, sneakers, smartphones, kung ano man yan, monetizable. And eventually, the goal is for you to make money every day doing the things that you love. And I think that's the time when work stops feeling like work and you're excited to actually wake up every day and do that. Now, one of the ways to do that is by becoming a creator, a YouTuber, a digital content creator, or influencer, whatever you want to call it. Let's just call it creator kasi it can be spoken word, it can be videos, it can be writing, it can be photography, it can be a variety of different mediums. So, ang topic natin today, how you can live your passion, how you can make money out of your passion by being a creator. And I'll share with you 5 key steps on how you guys can do that starting today. The first one is picking your niche. Sobrang importante malaman mo kung ano magiging topic mo. Kasi hindi pwedeng pareho ka lang sa lahat ng iba. Bigyan kita ng example. Gusto mo maging sneaker reviewer. Ang problema, medyo dumadami na ang sneaker reviewers. But there are different ways to cut a sneaker review YouTube channel. You can be a sneaker reviewer in the technical sense, na parang pinag-uusapan mo yung technology, pinag-uusapan mo yung upper, yung cushioning technology. That's how usually I do it. You can be like a budget sneaker YouTuber reviewer. You just focus on sneakers na mura lang. You can be a hype beast sneaker YouTuber. Focus mo yung mga mahal lang tsaka insane prices, aka Big Boy Cheng. Or kung gusto mo mag-focus ka sa ukay-ukay, Paulo Tumene style, di ba? Or kung gusto mo mag-outlet ka lang, katulad nila Nars, Lagalag, or all the other types of sneaker YouTubers that focus on outlet stores. Pwede nga, parang ikaw si Fresh. Si Fresh is a sneaker YouTuber na Pilipino that focuses primarily on Adidas sneakers. You also have Marches, who focuses on basketball sneaker reviews. In short, pick a lane and be very good at that lane. You don't have to do everything. Just focus on a particular niche or topic that you're very, very, very interested in na wala ka masyadong kapareho. Kasi kung pare-pareho lang kayo, bakit ka papanoodin? Diba? So you really have to specifically focus on a particular niche. Let's give a few more examples to help you guys out para maging mas malinaw, no? So, for example, you wanna be a tech reviewer. Ang problema ngayon sa tech, lahat ng tao pare-pareho lang rin review. Telepono, lahat na lang telepono, lahat na lang ganyan, lahat na lang smartphones, di ba? So lahat na lang ng tao ngayon, lahat ng tech YouTuber ngayon, smartphone reviewer. Pero kung isipin mo, ilan lang ba Pilipino nagpo-focus ng review sa audio, sa earphones? Wala masyado. Ilang Pilipino lang ang nagre-review ng gaming peripherals, accessories, and gaming PCs. Wala masyado. Ilang Pilipino lang ang nagre-review ng smart home technology. Wala akong masyadong maisip. Nothing really comes to mind. Nobody comes to mind, no? So that's how you can stand out in the world of tech by focusing on gadgets that are not necessarily the same gadgets as being reviewed by everybody in the world, okay, or everybody in the Philippine tech YouTube scene. So in short, you can pick a lane like what I said earlier and stick to that, okay? So tatandaan nyo yan, pick a niche, be very good at it, and dominate it, okay? Now, the second topic or the second tip I'd like to give is you need to pick your platform. Not everybody will be comfortable doing YouTube videos. Baka hindi yun yung strength mo kasi. When it comes to being a creator, you have to leverage your strength. What do I mean by that? If you are good on camera, then you can be a YouTuber. If you are good with writing, then you can probably be a blogger. If you are good with photography, you can probably be an Instagrammer or a photo blogger. Or if you are good with audio, you can even be a podcaster. Podcast, by the way, is starting to grow dramatically fast in the Philippines, especially with the rise of platforms such as Spotify. And it is actually monetizable now with the Google Ad Network on audio. And I'll talk about that monetization in a bit. So again, you have to pick what you're strong at. Build a community over something that you love, something that you're good at. Those are the two key tips that I would like to share with you guys today. Kasi kung hindi mo mahal, malamang mawalan ka ng gana at madedepress ka kagad pag may problema. At kung hindi ka magaling doon, mas mataas yung chances na papalpak ka. So build your community, build your platform depending on your strength. And dahan-dahan, as you become more comfortable, as you become better at it, then you can expand by learning other new skills, or you can hire people. You can hire people who can edit your videos for you. You can hire people who can shoot the videos for you because that's what money is for. Lalo na if you're starting to look at it as a business. You can actually expand by hiring and building teams, getting people who can complement your weaknesses so that you can focus on your strengths. Okay? So that's tip number 2. Pick your platform well. Tip number 3 is what I would like to call the guerrilla growth strategy. What is the guerrilla growth strategy? This is a strategy wherein you employ na whatever it takes for you to be able to get your viewers and to build your community. Yan yung tinatawag natin guerrilla. Diba? Kasi sa gera, guerrilla, yan yung mga taong will do anything and whatever it takes to be able to get the job done. Sometimes things that are not conventional. And that's how you do things at the start when you are building your community. And there are 3 layers to that. The first layer is your immediate friends and family on your social media account. So let's say you put up a YouTube channel. How do you get to 100 subscribers? Dapat huwag ka mahiya i-promote na may YouTube channel ka. So you promote on your Facebook page, you promote on your Instagram, you promote on your Twitter, your Messenger. Kung kailangan mo mag-text blast sa lahat ng mga kamag-anak mo at kaibigan mo, send them the link, get them to subscribe so that you're able to build your first layer, your first community. Now, after that, there's this favorite tactic of mine which is called online communities. You go to Facebook groups na pareho yung niche or pareho yung passion that is similar to what you are doing. Let's say you're very passionate about sneakers, then you should be part of Adidas Talk Philippines, Nike Talk Philippines, Sneaker Culture Philippines, and all the other sneaker, Facebook groups. If you're in tech, then you might want to join the smartphone fan groups or the smart home fan groups, the telco fan groups, and you contribute and you share your content there as well. So again, nung simula, friends and family. Second, your fellow enthusiasts in your niche or hobby. And the third is what you would call collaboration. So you collaborate with other YouTubers or creators, Instagram stars, or whatever you want to call them, basta creators, who share a common love for what you do, be it tech, sneakers, or whatnot. And the reason why you collaborate, let's say you make one video on your channel and one video on his or her channel, is that you get to share your community and you get to share your subscribers. Para kayong blood transfusion ng community para lumaki kayo pareho. And that's an amazing, excellent, effective way on how you can grow your channel fast. So what I was doing actually when I was starting out, I was partnering with a lot of YouTubers, both international and local, so that I could quickly grow my YouTube channel. So that was one of my key strategies when I was growing my YouTube channel from 0 all the way to 660-something thousand, which I have today. Again, yan yung number 3, yan ang tinatawag natin na guerrilla growth strategy. Ang number 4 na tip na ibibigay ko sa inyo is you need to build a monetization stack. What is a monetization stack? Ayan yung paraan kung paano kakikita. One of the worst advice that you can get, in my opinion lang naman, my opinion lang to, probably not be the same as all other creators or digital coaches that you will find on YouTube. The worst advice, in my opinion, is don't think about the money. You have to think about the money. Because if you don't think about the money, then you have no plan. And if you have no plan, you plan to fail. And what happens is, you will run out of money, magiging luho lang yan, magkakaproblema ka pa siguro sa misis mo o sa mister mo, dahil gastos ka lang ng gastos, hindi ka naman kumikita sa ginagawa mo. Kaching! So you have to have a plan on how you can monetize because you want it to be sustainable, you want it to become your business eventually, you want it to become something that you will enjoy and make money at the same time. And the great news is there is a way to monetize on different ways as a creator. And I'll go through the monetization stack one by one. So imagine na may stack tayo, parang sinastockpile natin one by one. The easiest way to make money is through advertising. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and 4,000 watch hours, you get an email to be invited into the YouTube Partner Program. What happens is every time may ad na lumalabas sa channel mo, you get a cut. It's as simple as that. Ganun lang siya kasimple. There's also a way of doing it on Facebook. I think it's like, I forgot the amount of needed followers sa page mo and 1 minute watch time. But you guys can just Google that. But again, you can also make advertising money on Facebook. Same model, every time an ad appears, you get a cut. A second way of doing it, sabihin natin, if you're writing, is you can put Google AdSense on your website. I-Google nyo na lang paano gawin yun. Madali lang naman, no? And it's the same way, but instead of pre-roll ads na video, those are the banner ads that appear on your website. And every time somebody clicks, every time it gets like 1,000 impressions or 1,000 views, you get a cut. So again, the more people that are part of your community, the more people that are watching you, the more people that are checking out what you write, the chances of you making money are much higher. And it's even the same with podcasts because Google recently came out with an audio ad network. So you can just put that in your podcast, the ads will appear, will start listening, people can listen to it, and you start making money as well. The only thing that doesn't have monetizational like ad networks is Instagram right now. So you can't like slap a code and an ad will just appear and you make money. So what you usually do if you're a photographer, focused type of content creator is you either have a website where you put your photos on and then you monetize the website like that. No? So again, that's the first layer, which is primarily advertising. The second layer is what we call brand deals. Brand deals is when companies ask you to promote their products and services for a fee. So, ang mangyari dyan, let's say, tatawagan ka ni Canon. O, di ba? Tawagan ka ni Canon. Sabihin ni Canon, "Uy, Carlo, promote mo naman yung sale ng Canon camera dahil na mura na lang siya ngayon. Post mo sa IG mo, post mo sa Facebook mo, and may budget kami para sa'yo." So, that is what you call a brand deal. So it can also happen on YouTube. Different companies from around the world will actually email you from time to time asking you if you want to partner, if you want to collaborate, and they'll give you a set amount of money for you to promote their product or service. Please do take note that when it comes to brand deals, kailangan talaga pinapalaki mo muna yung community mo. Darating din yan. Kasi pag nakilala ka na, emails will start coming in, you get DMs from different companies and different brands, and eventually you can start saying yes and you can start making money on all of the different brand deals that come your way. So that's the second way, brand deals. The third way, the third stack on monetization is what I call affiliate sales. Affiliate sales are basically you sign up for a program, affiliate program such as Lazada, Involve Asia, or Zalora, and you get a dashboard where you can get links from anything that they're selling, and when you promote that link, if somebody clicks it and somebody buys, you get a small commission. So it is an easy way to put up your own e-commerce online selling business without having the need to have your own product or service. So this is perfect for people who are great at marketing and selling but are bad at product development and product creation. Okay, so that's the third way, affiliate sales. And the last stack that you can do is to offer your own product or service. This can be in the form of consultancy, events, it can be in the form of your own merchandise, your own t-shirt, your own iPhone case, your own restaurant, your own food packages, whatever it is that you want to think about and sell to your community, you can do that as the fifth monetization stack on your monetization strategy. So again, nakikita nyo na kung gaano kadaming ways to be able to monetize a passion, something that you love as long as you are the creator. O, di ba? Panalo? So that is the fourth tip, which is building your monetization plan. And the fifth tip I'd like to leave you guys with is the 7-to-1 principle, because something that I usually get asked all the time, Carlo, how do you make time to do what you do? Carlo, how do you find time to be able to have a side hustle at the same time having a job and several businesses and having a family? And it's something that I call the 7-to-1 principle. It's very easy. 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., you build your career. You go to work, You clock in, you do whatever's needed for you to do to be able to earn your salary because you need to pay your bills. And then 7 p.m. to 1 a.m., that's where you build your dreams. So 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., build your career. 7 p.m. to 1 a.m., you build your dreams. Now, this is even more powerful for people who are still young and single and don't have families. Kasi you are in complete control of your evenings. It changes dramatically. If you're already married, if you have kids, that 7 p.m. to 1 a.m. can be 10 p.m. to 10:15 p.m. or maybe 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. But the fact of the matter is you can always set aside time during the night, be it 1 hour, 30 minutes, or maybe 4 hours, depending where you are in your life phase, and use that time to build something, build a business out of something that you truly love and that you truly enjoy, with the hopes of eventually your 7 to 1 becoming your 24/7. And it becomes something that you live for, it becomes something that you're excited about, and suddenly one day you wake up, you realize that it doesn't feel like work anymore and that you're just enjoying what you're doing, you're happy, you're excited, and you're fulfilled. Di ba panalo yun? I think panalo yun. So those are like the 5 tips I want to share with you guys on how you can how you can monetize what you love, how you can build a business out of what you love by being a creator. Guys, if you are interested in learning more, if you are interested in finding more about digital marketing and entrepreneurship, I'd like to invite you. I have a second YouTube channel. It is called Project 721. So the YouTube channel is all about giving tips on digital marketing, entrepreneurship. In fact, this video will also be uploaded there on that particular channel for everybody else to watch. So that kung hindi napanood to sa live stream on the Canon Facebook page, people can also watch it on that YouTube channel. I'd also like to invite all of you to visit my main YouTube channel. Just search for Carlo Ople on YouTube and you should find it. And I talk about mostly sneakers, life, and tech. I sometimes give life advice, being the tito in the community. But yeah, I'd love to see you guys there and I'd love to have you there. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our quick and simple masterclass for today. Remember, those are the 5 things that you can do to build a business out of something that you love. That one thing that you're good at, that one thing that you love, and that one thing that you can make money out of. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.